Yet was so now almost armed national security officer, any police officers. Ya one free police headquarters nene Pambros, a year salt industry or wejagbawi. And Kramantam you one more cohonumwa, a fembi, one must say upon a home, dear ma China need to share be so on pharmacy a dime ho, a moon semni.
Ghana for best are Pemna say what Babeshre where Juma is sanse national security for police for aka China neighbor one Wabeje Pambros salt industry one more say everyone sim Adom Kasee den asototo form no what say China ni chira wato asase free nipa bi ya wa money din ewo a wokura ho nkrata nyina senti wo de bambo for eba honum say factory wontum na wontimi fa na asase ene ya police for ene bambo for osu say wo free national security headquarters ene ka China ni ho obebo anama no to fence fa asase so Bani Sano, Pambros, Jumayfo friends and Trefua, or the Wakosem Etuja.
I mean, these are the people who are supposed to be on our side. These are the people who are supposed to fight for the nation, who are supposed to fight for the people of Ghana. So if the Ghana police is on the side of Chinese national to take away the bread from the Ghanaian man's mouth, then it's a sad situation. Who else are we going to talk to? Is it the president or is it the lands minister? I don't know. Maybe we have to call on God because it doesn't look like the nation or the state is ready to help Pambros as a country.
And which local union chairman or the Pambros salt and no Evans go feel to. Actually, Musa Samno ever caught into Moody Intia. Was a China ni Ekofa Bambo for a bassassin eso.
Then, I same time so Chinese is about or yeah, go share also machine is a year to me. Also by or see assassin and Diana first order from headquarters. It was police for SWAT, for police for, and I'm one over, and national security for, any land guard for, no more so many a baby. This say, I'm sure you said, with 7 Sigua. Well, by someone who works with Bear, you know, a coffee. Your coffee, then you biddy. A bit more, you know, Wamba, and Kuala school for now. We cry my school for Krama to Babede, every year, a Juma Hanum.